Alright, so today on DIYNate, we're going to be replacing a taillight assembly on a Jeep Compass Sport. Show you what we're working with here. So we're going to take this assembly off. It's got a hole right here you can see. I actually put a piece of lumber through that at Home Depot, and now I need to replace the whole assembly. Bought a part from a junkyard down the road, and I'm going to try and do this as a fairly quick swap. Alright, so here's the replacement part that we're going to be using. You can see it's got the back side of it. It's got some places to plug in, and also on the inside here you can see these rivets that we're going to use to basically pop these guys out. Those little clamps are what hold the assembly together, along with a couple little balls. You can see these balls on this side. They're kind of an item that inserts into the Jeep, and then once you pull that apart, it should just pop right out. So we'll see how this works out. Now, one of the tricky parts on these type of clips, I always hate these things. I probably need to get me a tool from a local AutoZone or Home Depot. Is a pry bar to kind of get in there. First, to start with, I used a screwdriver to open this up and basically popped it out some. And then I took and this is probably the 100% the wrong tool to use, but I took a pair of wire clips and I'm using it as kind of a pry to push these clips out. Once you've got it out, you should be able to just pull it out, and you get this piece that looks like that. So I've got one down. Let's see if I can do the other one with one hand somewhat, so you get an idea of what I'm working with here. Alright, so after a little bit of fighting with it, using a couple pairs of pliers, I actually used some wire clippers as kind of a pry, and a flathead screwdriver to get up under there. I've now got those two rivets loose, and you can see now how the whole thing kind of hinges off of that. So we're going to start to pull the process of pulling it out. The little bulbs came right out of there, and now you can see the clips that are hooked in here. So we want to make sure we line those right back up so they go in easily, and it should be a nice easy swap out. So easy does it, and go from there. For each one of these clips, you're going to have this little red tab here. Actually, I think for all of them, mine are pretty dirty here, so you might use a screwdriver or something to kind of give you a little bit of play if they don't adjust easily. But you kind of see right here. I'm going to take this guy, push him up a little bit. Sorry for the bad footage, but doing this one-handed is a little challenging. See how much room I need. Sometimes you don't need to pull these things all the way off. They might fly off on you as well if you try and pry them loose. Trying to give yourself enough room so that the little tab here is no longer holding in place. And there it popped out, so that's okay. Now that it popped off, I should be able to just take this piece and attach really easily. Let's see if I can zoom out so you can see this. A little bit. That one's already pretty good. Might have to elbow grease here. Okay, so I had to fight with that one a little bit, pushing the clamp on it, but I was able to get it out. And then I also took out the two bulbs, because I'm going to salvage those bulbs as well, just in case I need them for the future job. Just take the bulbs off. All you do is you can take the whole unit out like this, turn it to the side, and then you can just pull it out. You can get the bulbs there as well. These things can be a little bit expensive sometimes, so a couple bucks, so worth saving in case you burn out a bulb on either side. And now this whole carriage assembly, this assembly here, no longer needed. That'll be trash. Recycle that, and we'll take this last bulb off, and then we'll hook everything back up. Now the assembly is all the way off. I've got all the pieces ready to go back on, so I'm going to just take this assembly right here, and we're going to pop this guy right back in place, and we'll see how it goes. Start with the top. Just pull this guy around here. I'm hoping these bulbs work. They'll save me, give me some extras and save me from having to replace the whole bulb apparatus. With junkyard, typically you'll have a working bulb set, hopefully. So we're going to push this guy on there, and we'll lock him in just a second. Alright, so I just tested my lights. The top light is the headlight, the middle light is the blinker, and the bottom light is the reverse light. All lights came on, so I know I'm good. I put the little plastic clips back in, the red things, and now we're going to hook the whole thing together. So I'm trying to do this one-handed again to kind of give you a visual of what I'm working with. So we'll take the upright here without breaking it, hopefully. We'll pop this guy in and rotate him. Fits nicely, and then we'll turn him to the fit the mold there. One in. Second one in should be pretty straightforward. You can kind of see do this in nicely, and a little bit of muscle to twist it. Might have come in a little bit too high on the angle, so we'll try him again, and I have to try a different slot for him. Well, that should be the right slot, so we'll try and push this guy all the way in, and there we go. And last but not least, the little guy. And he goes in nicely as well. Then we're going to take this part, just take the little plastic bulbs here. Let's see if I can get that on the camera so you can kind of see how they wedge in. Again, doing this one-handed on the wrong side, a little tough. So, kind of fit that guy in there. You should kind of push in and you pop them in. Okay, replacing the pin, pretty easy here. Just push the little clip through, put both pieces kind of through together, make sure you're lined up, and then push it in. Or you might have to take a little bit of force to it, kind of like a hammer. Probably better with a hammer. I'm going to go ahead and try and put the other clip in as well while I'm at it. Gotta see how easily they go in once you get the clip in. And good to go. Alright, thanks a lot for watching the DIYNate video. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.